Hello, this is Coraline from Natural V. It's your favorite. Today we're in the kitchen and I am going to do a savory granola. I try to balance it out, some sweet and some savory. And today that's what we're going to do, a savory granola. I did do a sample of one, and this one has a cup of pecan, 1/4 cup of sunflower seed, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seed, and 1/4 cup of sesame seed. And it has the same, we'll use the same ingredients here, but I'm going to taste this. Mm, very good. Yeah, real good. So, but today, not right now, what I'm going to do in this recipe, there are a couple of ingredients I'm going to do different, okay? So, we're going to use 1 cup of organic almond nuts, all right? 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of pine nuts. I love pine nuts because it gives that creamy taste. And 1/4 cup of organic coconut flakes. Now, I want you to know that you can use this on your salad, or you can just eat it as a snack, however you want to. Okay. Now, again, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of truffle oil, and this is the black one, the black truffle oil. They have a white one, and then they have a black one. And this one I'm using the black. All right. Got that in there like that. Now we're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And this is Redmond Himalayas, Redmond sea salt. Okay, so that's a 1/4. And this is a 1/4, so 1/2. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sprinkle some garlic in it. You can use as much garlic as you want. I love garlic. Sprinkle garlic. And of course, smoked paprika. You can use the plain or the smoke. I like the smoke because it gives it even much more flavor. All right, here we go. Now, I'm going to mix this up and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm just mixing it up right nice. Now, what I might do, I might just stick my hands in here just a little bit because I want to make sure that those almonds get enough of that salt and oil on it. And it's all right if you use your hands. it's your granola. And another thing too, you can use any kind of seasoning that you would like. It's just that I like these, and oh, it smells so good. That truffle oil smells really good. Now I'm going to taste one of these. I'm going to taste a piece of the almond to make sure it's got enough seasoning on it. And sprinkle a little bit more of this paprika. And like I said, with the almonds, you need a little bit more salt. So that's about Not very much, just a sprinkle more. Now you can use sliced almonds if you want to. I use whole almonds and chop them up because the sliced almonds do not come in organic, but the whole almonds do. Like I said, I like organic. Okay, that should be good. Okay, let me just wipe my hands here. And I already have my tray ready. Okay, and I just put parchment paper on this. So I'm just gonna pour it all out like that. Get all of that. Now I'm just gonna spread it out like this. And you want to put your oven on 355, and you want to do this for 15 minutes. So 10 minutes, let it, watch it, for 10 minutes, and then stir it, mix them all up, and then put it in for another 5 minutes. And then again, too, you judge it because, people's oven temperature can be just a little different. All right. So now that we got that's all done. And so I'm going to put this in the oven and watch it, cook. And I hope you try it because I think it's a good snack. Like I said, you can put it on your salad. You can put it in your yogurt. You can just, yogurt could be, sweet and savory. You can do a whole lot with this. And so, like I said, try it. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment. Because tell me if you tried it. Tell me if you used some different ingredients and how did yours taste. Okay. All right. Goodbye and hope to see you the next time. Bye bye.